Setting SLAs, service level agreements, and monitoring response times is essential for keeping your team accountable and delivering exceptional customer service. But where do you start? In this video, I'm going to break down how you can set SLAs and effectively monitor response times to improve your service delivery. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal a free trial offer for the software we're using, exclusive to my viewers. First, you want to define the key performance indicators for your SLAs. Start by identifying what your customers expect, such as response time, resolution time, or availability. For example, a common SLA might be responding to support requests within 24 hours. This sets a clear expectation for both your team and your clients. Next, choose a tool to help monitor those response times. You'll need software that can track incoming tickets or queries and alert you when deadlines approach or are missed. Our software can automatically calculate and track response times, ensuring you don't miss any critical SLA deadlines. Once your tool is set up, it's important to configure notifications for your team when the SLA timeframe is close to being breached. For example, if you have a 24-hour response time SLA, set up a notification to remind your team 12 hours before the deadline. This keeps everyone on track and prevents late responses. Now, to make sure your SLAs are being met consistently, you should generate reports. Most modern software will allow you to run detailed reports that show how often SLAs were met, which areas need improvement, and any patterns of missed deadlines. Regularly reviewing these reports helps you identify any bottlenecks in your process or areas where you need additional resources. Another key part of monitoring response times is having a clear escalation path. If an SLA is about to be breached, or if the response is delayed, make sure there's a system for escalating the issue to a supervisor or higher-level team member. This ensures that critical issues are addressed promptly, even if someone on your team is unavailable. Let's quickly recap. To set SLAs and monitor response times, you first need to define what SLAs you're working with based on customer expectations. Then, choose software that helps track response times and configure it to send out timely alerts. Make sure to generate regular reports and have an escalation path in place for missed SLAs. One last thing, if you want to follow along and use the software we recommend, be sure to grab the exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's only available for viewers of my channel. The key takeaway here is to use clear, measurable SLAs to set expectations and then monitor those response times with the right tools to ensure your team consistently delivers high-quality service. Take advantage of the free trial in the description and start streamlining your process today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.